Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, air sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you, Libra, air sign. What are the messages for you? What's going on? Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. Your money is very good, Libra. King of Swords, the Hangman and the Lovers. Okay, Two of Wands. Wow. The Moon under the deck. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, water sign. Excuse me. So there are some disturbances, some mysterious thing in this connection. Maybe you are hiding something from your person or your person may be hiding something from you. Something is mysterious in this connection right now. Okay. Maybe there are some disturbances, illusions between you and your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Pentacles, Page of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. In these recent times, you are more concentrating on your career. You are working hard towards your goals and a lot of abundance and financial stability is coming in your way because Ten of Pentacles is here and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you are holding back your emotions and now concentrating on your career. Someone is spying on you on social media, Page of Swords. Maybe you are spying on them. Maybe they are spying on you. Some spying is going between both of you. And Ten of Pentacles, yeah, you are achieving financial stability. So then King of Swords and the Hanged Man and the Lovers. Yeah, there is love between both of you. You love your person, but there is some communication, some clarity is coming. In past, there is no clarity in this relationship, but it is coming because King of Swords. I think you are very straightforward in nature. You always speaks truth. You are very honest in this connection. But you are stuck on them. You are thinking something about a lot. Some spiritual awakening is also going in your life right now, Libra. Yeah, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. Future energy is Two of Wands, Nine of Pentacles and Nine of Wands. Yeah, you are thinking about something a lot for or someone a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. I am not seeing any separation. I am not seeing any no contact situation here. But some disturbances. Some no, I think getting no clarity from this situation. Maybe on and off connection. Yeah, there is connection is there, relationship is there, but not consistent what I'm getting here. But you are achieving your financial abundance, financial stability. See, you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Nine of Pentacles energy right now. In near future you will be. And Nine of Wands, maybe you are guarded up right now emotionally. You don't want to open up emotionally to anyone. Maybe you want to protect your heart from those emotions, from past hurts, what I'm getting here. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. The Sun, maybe for some children's also involved in this connection. So Libra, your person current feelings. Under the deck, the Star. Yeah, they are thinking about you very positively and they see you as the star in their life. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius also. Six of Wands with Knight of Cups. If you are in separation, they want you back. I am not seeing any separation here. If you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. But they want to take this relationship to next level because Six of Wands means success in this relationship. If you are in relationship, they want to marry you, they want to take this relationship to next level, because Knight of Cups is here. They have strong emotions for you, but it is very slow moving. And Knight of Wands with Knight of Cups, they have passion too. Okay, they have so many emotions for you and passion also. They are very passionate about you. Lot of fire energy. You person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Libra. Lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio on Six of Swords. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. Six of Swords, communication. Yeah, they want to offer this Ten of Cups happiness to you, and they're wishing they want to take this relationship to next level, and they're thinking you about a lot. Here, Nine of Wands means thinking, not guarded up. Yeah, they really want to offer this stability, commitment. Yeah, commitment is coming. I am seeing upgrade in your relationship, not separation, not coming back. This is upgradation total, Libra. So, a lot of water energy. You person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Communication, clarity is coming, and upgradation in love. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Okay. Wow, the Sun, Seven of Swords, and under the deck, Leo, Strength. The person involved in this connection could be Leo also. Maybe they did something wrong to you, maybe false communication, miscommunication, not a third. For some, it could be very few third party situation. Yeah, they want to fix things between both of you because Seven of Swords, they maybe hurt you in past. That's why they want to fix the things, what I'm getting here. Want one more card. Yeah, they're ready to offer commitment, the Emperor. Maybe you person have some ego also, ego problem, judgment. Yeah, they're going to make their mind. Okay. Seven of Pentacles. You also invested a lot in this connection emotionally and waiting for your person to come back. See, Three of Cups under the deck, Page of Pentacles, communication, apologies coming in your way. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. If they did something wrong to you, they will say apology to you. And Three of Cups, celebration, reunion. I am not seeing this is separation. This is a celebration in my view. Yeah, I think the disturbances between both of you will be gone away. Then the celebration is going to be happen in near future, because this is the mutual energy. These are the connection cards. Yeah, communication, clarity, and upgradation, what I'm seeing here. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Libra. Six of Cups, strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Maybe very few, if you are in separation, reconciliation will happen. Yeah, equal give and take is coming. In past, there is no equal give and take, but it is coming. Yeah, there are still some disturbances between both of you. Wow, collaboration, partnership, reconciliation, upgradation. Wow, see, 10 of Cups. Yeah, they really want to offer this, and it is coming. This time your person is very sincere. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Judgment. Yeah, they're going to be choose you because they're going to be make their mind. They're going to be make effort to take this relationship to next level. Justice. Yeah, second chances if you're in separation. Empress, this you as their Empress, and King of Wands. I think your person is also very powerful person, very grounded. Okay, and there is a lot of passion between both of you guys. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. Confidence is your key to success. So if you are doing any work, or if you are going to any meetings, whatever, if you are doing any work, be confident, okay, while you are doing your work, because confidence is your key to success. This is the message from universe. Be confident doing any work, while doing any work. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.